How to add Outlook in Gmail. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser in your PC. After that, you need to log into your Gmail account. Make sure to log into the Gmail account in which you want to add Outlook. After logging in, you'll be able to see the options over here. So in the right upper corner, there is a settings option. So you have to simply click on that. After that, you have to go for see all settings option. And from over here, you will be able to see all the settings of your Gmail account. Among them, you have to go for accounts and input option. And from over here, you will be able to see the settings about your accounts and imports. So in order to add Hotmail in Gmail, you have to go for check mail in other accounts where there is add a mail account. So you have to simply click on that. After clicking, you will be opened up to the text box in the left hand side. So in this text box, you need to enter the Outlook account which you want to add. And after that, you have to go for next. After that, here you will be opened up to the two options. The first one is link account with Camlify, and second option is import emails from my other account. Since we are trying to add Outlook to Gmail, you have to select the first option and go for next. After that, you'll be opened up to the list of descriptions. If you want to read, then you can read these informations, and if you are agreed, you have to go for yes. It's all about allowing access or permissions to Gmail. And after following this action, Outlook will be added to your Gmail. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.